My name is Harley Nikelski. I'm the president of Baker Real Estate, and I'm here today to talk to you about 8 Elm and the unbelievable pre-construction marketplace we have in Toronto. 8 Elm is a prime downtown site, right at the corner of Yonge and Elm, by the subway, by 2 major universities, right by George Brown, a block from the Eaton Center, and a block from the major hospitals. That is a fundamentally AAA location.
We are so thrilled that we've got such a wonderful team bringing this project to fruition in terms of a collaboration between 2 wonderful development companies, Reserve and Capital, our phenomenal consultants, and a really unique and creative collaboration with Simu Liu.
Never have I come across such an iconic site in the center, the heart of a city.
Now let's talk about the real estate market as a whole. The Toronto market is in an amazing place for continued growth. Real estate, and especially pre-construction real estate, is one of the best ways to hedge your money against the inflation rates that we're currently seeing. You're putting down about 15% of your purchase price over a long period of time, and you get to benefit from the appreciating value of real estate in this city, especially if you're talking about a AAA prime location. And this city is primed for growth. We're seeing huge immigration levels. We are seeing a return of large numbers of international students, in fact, a growing number every year. And our tech sector is growing. More and more businesses are moving offices to Toronto. We are actually the 3rd largest tech hub in North America now, and we're still growing. There is a demand for real estate, and we don't have the supply. Developers are building buildings, but not as fast as people are moving here. And rentals, we're seeing bidding wars. We're seeing people who don't even want to move and leave their homes because there is very little to nothing on the market that's going to work for them. And then you look at real estate prices. Great neighborhoods in Toronto are still seeing real estate prices appreciate. Doesn't matter what's happening out there right now. That means that your best bet right now is buying into the pre-construction real estate market. So welcome to the center of attention, 8 Elm.